Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Frontdoor. This is ticker FTDR. Now, this has been a dramatic stock. You can see this wild action where the stock gave back, let's measure it. Looks like nearly 50%. Yeah, just about 40% of its gains throughout February, March, and April. Following an earnings report, though, they got it all back. The stock gapped up, held above the 200-day moving average, and has been consolidating along this orange line. That's the 8-day exponential period moving average. Now, I think this stock is interesting because it keeps knocking up against a pretty clear level of resistance in and around 55.50. We can see how the stock almost got there, then pulled back. Got there, pulled back again, and now we're just underneath. So I would have an alert on Frontdoor in and around 55.50 and look for a move above that level and a close above coming on volume. Now, if it does that, it might have an opportunity to regain some of these highs in and around $60. Now, that would be a pretty sweet swing trade, though it probably won't happen in a straight line. I think that move through 55.50 is how it could start. So that's just one of many setups we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. I'll see you next time.